Hi, welcome back. Today we're making savory avocado spread. These are the ingredients that you will need to make your avo spread. There are many ways to make your avo spread. This is just one simple way that you can make it in advance, keep it in the refrigerator, and spread it on toast for breakfast. First, make sure to mince your garlic well. When you are cracking the garlic, make sure that the blade is facing away from you, and to mince it, you julienne first before you mince. Afterwards, you can now prepare your avocado. Just put a knife around the edge and make sure that your avocado is ripe. Remove the seed and bring a spoon around 1/2 of the avocado to get the flesh out. The flesh should be soft and slightly yellow in color so that you are sure that it is ripe. If it's not that ripe yet, there is a slight bitterness to an avocado. Create small chunks. This is a parmentier to brunoise size, and put it in a bowl. Next, take a lemon. We will need the juice of 1/4 or 1/2 lemon depending on how much acidity or sourness you want. You have to roll it over the table to get the juices out. This is a great technique to get the most out of your lemon. And then you put it inside your avocado and mash it well together. It would look like a creamy paste like this. If you want to leave some chunks in it, that's all up to you as well. Add 2 tablespoons of your olive oil and your garlic and mix it all together. Season with a little salt, sugar, and cracked pepper. Cracked pepper will bring a bit of a spice and a kick to it as opposed to just using ground pepper. And if you want a little spiciness to it, you can add cayenne pepper as well. Next, we can now prepare our tomatoes. If you've used one avocado, you can use about 2 tomatoes for the mixture. Cut it in half and wash it thoroughly. Remove the seeds and remove the liquid inside the tomatoes. This will help keep your spread last longer. If you include the liquid part of the tomatoes, it will make your spread spoil faster. Wash it thoroughly and cut it in very small pieces. Brunoise. If you want it chunky, again, you can make it a little larger. Mix that well, and now you have your avocado spread. Okay, so now it's time for storage. This will keep for about 1 week and a week and a half. Make sure to place it in a clean, dry, and airtight container. And there you have it, our savory avocado spread. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!